In this video, I'll guide you through how to create path analysis in Google Analytics 4. Path analysis is a powerful way to understand the sequence of actions users take on your website or app, so you can see what they do before and after key events and identify where they drop off. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go in Google Analytics 4 to set up and start using a path exploration. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you have access to the Google Analytics 4 property you want to work with. Then open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. This is the main entry point for all your analytics properties. If you're taken to a different Google product, just check the address bar and make sure the URL is correct. Once the page loads, you should see your list of properties or be taken directly into one of your analytics dashboards. If you manage multiple properties, choose the correct GA4 property from the property selector at the top of the screen. It's important you're in a GA4 property, not an older Universal Analytics view, because path analysis is part of the GA4 Explore workspace. Now that you're in the right property, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation. I'll show you the easiest way to get to path analysis from here. In the left-hand navigation, find and click on Explore. It's usually located below the standard reports section like reports and advertising. The Explore section is where Google Analytics 4 keeps its advanced analysis tools, including path exploration, funnel exploration, and other custom analyses. When you click Explore, Google Analytics will open the Explorations workspace in the main area of the screen. Here you'll see different exploration types, either as a list or as tiles. These are templates that help you answer specific questions about your user's behavior. Today, I'll show you how to start a new path analysis exploration from this workspace. Look for the option labeled Path Exploration. It might appear as a tile with a small icon and the text Path Exploration, or as an item in a list of available exploration templates. Once you've located it, click on Path Exploration. As soon as you click it, Google Analytics 4 will create a new path exploration for you. You'll see a canvas with a starting point and branches extending outward, representing the different paths users take. Depending on your default settings, this starting point might be a particular event, a page view, or a session start. You can adjust what event you start from by using the controls on the left side of the screen, and you can also change the dimensions or segments you're analyzing. From here, you can customize your path analysis, choose which event you want to start or end with, filter by device type or user segment, and explore where users go step by step. This is where you can spend time digging into user journeys, but the essential steps to get here are very simple. Go to analytics.google.com, click Explore on the left, then click Path Exploration. That's all you need to begin creating and working with path analysis in Google Analytics 4. Once you're comfortable reaching this area, you can experiment with different starting points, compare paths for different audiences, and use these insights to improve your website or app experience.